Hello, welcome to Scrapland. I am very excited to be with you today to start this travel journal. I'll show you what I made for the cover page, which is a simple page so far, but feel free to decorate it as you like. Part of the fun of making these journals is I treat it like a scrap scavenger hunt. I've set a goal to use as little as possible of any brand new sheets of paper. So I really want to use as many of my smaller pieces as I can. It really gets to be fun after a while. So I went into my scraps and I found these sheets of papers to get me started. I'll come back and show you what I did with them. And here is our cover page for our journal. I used the medium-sized custom cutting circle with the red blade and cut this lovely circle. I used the Passport to Adventure stamp punch and made a little border at the bottom. I used the circle punch to punch these 3 circles. I used the compass punch as well as some other punches for the anchor and the cruise ship, which are not available from Creative Memories right now. I may continue to decorate. A very important note about this journal: because I will be writing directly onto the pages, I will not be putting dimensionals on here, even though I think they could go nicely. Also, I put a few stickers on. The stickers came from Passport to Adventure and Wanderlust. We're going to work on the next part, the calendar. So this is the calendar that I made for my first travel journal. And today I'm going to demonstrate how I made it by putting one in my album. I'm going to do a 31-day calendar just to show the process. We begin with 1.5 inch squares. Each of these is a 1.5 inch square. I just used my trimmer to cut them. If you have a punch, you can use it too. I just found using the trimmer saved paper. The next step, I stamped, but you can also write the numbers for the dates on each of the 1.5 inch squares. Then I created my grid. I will want 3 days, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, on my left side, and 4 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, to be on the right side of the page. Because this is a 31-day calendar, I need 5 rows. And so I started here and I measured out my 5 rows. I wanted my calendar to come down and have as much top room as possible. So I brought it down and started the month here. Next, I will finish off my calendar. And this is my calendar filled in. Next, I will adhere all of the dates down. And here is our calendar. We have adhered our numbers, and now we can decorate. I'm probably going to put some type of a border in this corner. I'll put the month's name in this corner and some type of an embellishment cluster on this side and maybe one on that side. But this is where you get to go into your supplies and pick the ones that make you happy and put them in. Thank you again for watching.